Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss it. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. There's a pillow back there to remind me to remind you guys that that's important on the YouTube platform. So if you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It's important for the growth of a YouTuber on the YouTube platform, and that's where you guys come in. So you press it, it turns blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping me grow on YouTube. All right, today I'm excited to be able to be sharing with you a giveaway. And the giveaways on my channel, it's been, we celebrated together a lot of milestones in reference to giveaways. But when I used to get duplicate palettes in my boxes, we were always doing giveaways. And at the beginning of the premiums and when I started getting 2 Boxycharm boxes, we seem to have gotten a lot of duplications in reference to eyeshadow palettes. So it was really fantastic. Sometimes some skincare, but mostly eyeshadow palettes, because that's what I know you guys love getting. So for me, what ended up happening was when we had, the premium started with takeover boxes and things like that, we were getting lots of duplicates. But this last few times, I haven't had a duplicate eyeshadow palette until now. So I have 2 items that were duplicates in my boxes. So I want to be able to share them with you guys. So because they're both fantastic. So the first one is the Ditto palette that we received. It is their Venus palette, is their limited edition. This is the one that's completely sealed, so I didn't open it. So whatever condition, I'm assuming everything is in good condition, but with giveaways, we pack it the best way that we can. The way you receive it is the way it is. There's no, I can't send you out another one because I only have this one duplicate. So that's the first item that's in here. The one that I'm going to be swatching and sharing with you guys to see if you want to be part of the giveaway will be in this one here. And the other item is going to come in this sealed wrap, which says SL Miss Glam. And it is these gorgeous, gorgeous brushes, these 5 brushes, 2 beautiful face size brushes, as well as 3 eye brushes. And the SL Miss Glams always have these really cute rhinestones in it. And these are really fancy schmancy, so wanted to make sure to share the happiness with you guys. So those are the 2 items that are in there. I'm also gonna, like I said, swatch this so that if you're interested in this palette, that's what I try to do. Is my giveaways aren't usually, unless it's a big celebration where I filled boxes to the rim of all my stuff. I wanted to make sure that the people that didn't get this in their boxes but wanted it, this is a giveaway that you enter, and then you'll be able to get it. The giveaways on my channel are really, really simple. You simply have to leave a comment down below that you want to be entered in the giveaway, because a lot of you who have already received this, but you watch my channel, I don't want you not to leave a comment. You could simply say hi, that you've enjoyed the palette or didn't enjoy the palette, but don't not leave me a comment, because I love reading your comments and hearing from you guys. If I do not respond back to your comment, it means I did not receive your comment. There's something with YouTube that some comments don't come through. It might be something that you've said or something that got filtered. I don't have any filters on my channel or anything like that. So I don't know why some of the comments come through, but the way you know your comment didn't come through is if I don't respond back. You also have to have in your comment your Instagram name. Without the Instagram name, it is very hard for me to reach you. So I want to make sure that that's there. So there's simple rules. I'm going to list all the rules in the description box down below, but you simply have to be following me here on True Wants, and your account needs to be public. If you don't know how to make your account public, I have a video on that in the description box, always down below. And if your account isn't public, I will reach back to you in your comments to tell you that it isn't before we have the date of the drawing. The second thing is you have to be following me on True Wants 2 on Instagram, as well as our business Improving Lifestyles, because this is going to be packaged that's going to come to you is going to be coming through Improving Lifestyles. So that's my way of saying thank you to my brother. So I want to make sure that you guys follow Improving Lifestyles also. So make sure, like I said, that your Instagram name is in your comment. We're going to check to make sure that you're following us both on True Wants too, as well as Improving Lifestyles in your comment. So that's as simple as it is. There's no special word or anything like that. I also contact you through your comment that you are the winner. So if you are the winner, there may not be a giveaway winner video because based on time and stuff like that, I don't always have time to make a video. So what I do is I share in the comment, I respond to you in your comment that you won. And then we finalize everything via Instagram through the direct message so that we're not sharing any addresses or anything publicly. So it's really important. That's why I need your Instagram name so that we can DM each other. And then we finalize everything in an email where then I can send you out that information that gets sent to Improving Lifestyles to send it out. And then I respond back with your tracking information, and it usually happens really quickly. A lot of times you guys are like so on it, it's absolutely amazing. So I want to make sure to be able to share all that with you guys. So like I said, I will leave it in the comments down below of exactly how you have to enter, and I will do my best to respond back to you. And if I don't respond back to you, that means I did not receive your comment. So this, and the date of when this is also going to be, I'm not sure when this video is going up, so I will put a date in the description box of when that drawing is going to be. And like I said, you'll be contacted not only in the response to your comment here on this video, I will then also reach out to you through direct message on Instagram. So let's do some swatches of this to see if this is an item that you are interested in. I think it's stunning. And that's why I was so happy when I got a second one that I'm able to share with you guys. The other side of this is a full-size mirror. These are the beautiful shades here. The only shade here that I'm a little iffy with is this first one here, and it is called Venus. And this one here comes across very light. So to me, this is more of a topper type of I didn't bring a cloth out here. This is a topper type of eyeshadow. So I'm just going to swatch them quickly. I'm not going to go through all the names because we did all that on the videos when I received this on both of those. So if you haven't seen any of those videos, you can definitely take a look at all of our Boxycharm videos because everything was fantastic this month. So those are some of the colors there. We're going to do a few more here. Those are those there. Okay, and one of these has this one here in the middle here. That is definitely, when I swatched it, it is definitely one that has those shimmer particles in it. So just be careful when you're using that on your eyes. And I think I got all of them here, so we'll just do it like that. So those are all the colors there. And you can see how pigmented, I mean, there's still so much on my hand, but like I said, I didn't bring a cloth out here, so I just have my dry towel, so I'm gonna do my best to wipe my hands off it on there. But that's how stunning this palette is. So once again, it came with the safety shield. So like I said, I did not open that one. And we're not responsible for, we pack it the best that we can. If anything gets shattered or damaged or lost, there's nothing that we can do. I send you the tracking, and then after that, as I like to say in our business world, is I'm not driving the truck. So I don't know how long. I know that when we send you the tracking is the day that we are shipping the item out to you, if not the next day. So we don't hold on to tracking information or anything like that. So, and then you'll be able to follow that tracking information. And that's why we finalize everything in an email so that I can send that tracking information to you via email. So once again, the palette that we are doing on this giveaway is the Ditto Venus palette, limited edition, and the full set of brushes from SL Miss Glam. I think this is fantastic. If you haven't had the opportunity to try any of these products, I think they are absolute winners. And like I said, please, if you don't want to enter, that's fine. I just want to make sure that you don't not speak to me through your comments and tell me if you've received this palette, if you're enjoying it, if you don't enjoy, whatever it is, just please don't not leave me a comment because I enjoy so much. That's my lifeline to you guys. So if you don't, if you watch and you don't comment, then it just, I enjoy the comments. So let's put it that way. I know it's a lot of extra at nighttime to sit down and go through them, but it's everything. Like I said, it's my lifeline to you guys. And then also, when the name gets picked and it's somebody that I've been corresponding with through my life here on YouTube, it just makes it even sweeter when we have that kind of relationship when you are chosen as the winner. So it just makes it a lot more fun. But a winner is a winner, and it doesn't matter if you're with me 10 minutes or if you're with me since the beginning. I just want to make sure that everybody has the opportunity that wants this can enter. You just have to make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and that you're following Improving Lifestyle on True Wants To on Instagram, and make sure that your Instagram name is in the comments. If you're not sure about anything, read in the description box the rules and then you'll be all set. I usually keep this open for a couple of weeks so that, you know, everybody who wants to catch up on some of my videos, which I know a lot of you do, then you'll still have the opportunity to enter. All right, that's it. Take care, everybody. Good luck to everybody who wants to get the opportunity to get the Ditto palette as well as the SL Miss Glam brushes. And that's it for today's video. Take care, everybody. Thank you so much. As you know, I appreciate so much when you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. So everybody continue to stay safe, stay well, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.